मैंने शाइन का नाम सुना बाद में। मैंने नदिया में तैरना सीख चुका हूं, मुझे अब समुंदर में तैरना है। मेरे हौसले मेरे बुलंदे बड़े हो गए। देन खदी सर से मुलाकात हुई, सर भी हेल्प किए। Myself, Rajnikant Chauhan, presently working as Assistant Commissioner in the Revenue Department, KAS, Karnataka Administrative Service 2015 batch in the Bagalkot. I am from Bidar district only, Bhalki Taluka. I born in such a very small village. It is called Tanda. It's a non-revenue village. Only 7 hamlets are there. Only 7 homes are there. Born in such a small village, in a poor family. My father is a farmer. I born with a dream of becoming IAS and KS officer. From 1st to 4th standard, I studied in a government school. Very interesting story I would like to share with you. My mother tongue is Lambani, non-script language. When I took admission in the Gurukul, I was not able to read properly. I was not able to speak properly in Kannada. There is a lot of miscommunication. If you know the language, you can communicate properly. You can interpret it properly. I would share my life experience. At the end, you will get to know. Daily, क्यों पता है? मैंने स्कोर कम होती थी मेरे सब्जेक्ट वाइज। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कन्नड़ा बात करने के लिए नहीं आता था। अरे यार, मैं सोचा ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे लाइफ में, और मैं वहां से घर को 2-3 बार भाग के चले गया था। आई वॉज नॉट एडजस्टेड विद दैट एनवायरमेंट। क्यों लोग तो घर पे सब कुछ छोड़ के रहना पड़ता है, ऊपर से बात नहीं आती है, पढ़ाई में अच्छा नहीं था। तो व्हेन आई डिसाइडेड classes, I started attending classes regularly with full of concentration. और I was bad in writing, कन्नड़ा, इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी, 3 लैंग्वेज में ही। तो नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल। एक बार हमने मतलब इफ आई डिसाइडेड then we can do it, because everything in our hand only. This body in our control, this mind is in our control. If you have proper remote in your hand, no, you can train like anything. I got 91% in the 10th standard. I got आपको बोल रहा था ना, मैंने कन्नड़ा बात भी नहीं आती थी कन्नड़ा अच्छा लिखने के लिए। I got out of 125, 124 marks. I was a district topper. उस टाइम पे I have represented National Science Quiz and I got 8th rank in that also. मैंने शाइन का नाम सुना बाद में। देन गुरुकुल से एडमिशन, मेरे टीसी नहीं दे रहे थे गुरुकुल से। You are a good students of our college. You have made गुरुकुल very proud. देन मैंने बोला मुझे नदी का ये नहीं बनना है, मुझे समुंदर में ये करना है, तैरना है। कभी नदिया में तैरना मैंने नदिया में तैरना सीख चुका हूं, मुझे अब समुंदर में तैरना है। मेरे हौसले मेरे बुलंदे बड़े हो गए। देन खदी सर से मुलाकात हुई, सर भी हेल्प किए। और मैंने गुरुकुल से एक ही बात बताया था, कहां भी जाऊंगा गुरुकुल का नाम रहेगा और शाइन का नाम रहेगा। और सर ने मुझे एडमिशन लिए, और सर फॉर एडमिशन, फ्री एडमिशन ले लिया मुझे 2 साल के लिए. In first year also, I studied well. I got, I think in the first year, 3rd or 4th rank. In second year, I got maybe 3rd or 4th rank. But actually, overall result was 88% I got. In PCM, 97%. Physics, chemistry, mathematics. And chemistry, I got chemistry and physics. In the district, I was a topper, 98 and 99. Then I have been selected in the topmost college in Karnataka, RV College Engineering Staff. I have been selected for the topmost BMC Medical College also. Even I would have been getting this thing. I wrote JEE exam also. I was getting Suratkal. But that time, Ashugupta sir was DC in the Bidar. Then Khadi sir, if some great personality will come, no? Then Khadi sir is inviting me to his office and मोटिवेट करते थे और उनकी मुलाकात होती थी. तभी हमारे हौसले बड़े होने लगे, हमें कुछ बड़ा बनना है बियॉन्ड इंजीनियरिंग एंड मेडिकल. तो मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया तभी मुझे IAS है, KAS ही बनना है. इंसान को भूख रहना चाहिए, खाने की भूख नहीं. इंसान को जिंदगी में कुछ बनने की भूख रहनी चाहिए. And till now, what decisions I took in my life, very bold decisions, and I stood by it. I usually used to take guidance of my seniors, my guider. Ultimately, I have to finalize, and I have finalized also. I have seen many hurdles in the society. बहुत गरीब लोग थे, injustice with the poor people. मैंने सोचा इनको कुछ हेल्प करना है. How to contribute something from my side to the society and to the nation. तो मुझे क्या करना है? What can I do? What can I do? I can't become a political leader. But I thought God has given power, brain. तो I have to study. मुझे स्टडी करना है. मुझे स्टडी करके IAS, KAS ऑफिसर बनना है. I will become a district officer. I can bring a lot of change in the society. मैंने तभी decide किया है. In my blood, that WBC and RBC has like KAS and IAS. I completed my degree in 2014. That year only KAS notification has been made. In the next year only I cleared KAS. I was the youngest officer in whole Karnataka. That time in case 2014 batch, I was assistant director of tourism department. It is a district level post. I was not satisfied with this. Again I wrote case. Again I cleared prelims, mains and interview. I got 34 rank in the state. In the non-HK, I got selected as assistant commissioner in the revenue department. This is the topmost department in the case exam. Why I am saying all this? In life, this is a right age. You have to decide you are like in which field you are interested. That is what I cleared case 2 times very early age. Why? My plans are very clear. My timetable was very clear. You don't believe, I was not wasting a single minute also when I was preparing. Every day, minimum 10 to 12 hours I was preparing for the civil services. Even I have given IAS also, 2 attempts I have given. In 2015, once I have cleared prelims, but not able to clear mains. Next year, I have joined in duty. I wasn't focused much on the preparation. I joined in duty, so I was busy in the work. हमने जो IAS KAS exam लिखे है ना, 40% has been covered from the NCERT books. So आपको अभी से अच्छा पढ़ाई करना चाहिए. If you read properly, your 40% study has been completed now only. मतलब if you become a civil servant, if you cleared KAS and IAS exams, you will get respect in the society. Your parents will get respect in the society. your family will be recognized, your village will be recognized, your taluka will be recognized, your district will be recognized, it will be recognized by the whole state. If you clear the case, if you cleared IAS, you will recognized by the whole India. Don't mess with your life. आपको अभी डिसाइड करना है. This is a right age. In which field you are going to take admission? Either engineering or medical. After degree, आपको क्या करना है? क्या केस करना है, IAS करना है? One statement is there. Never say no. Never say I cannot. You are infinity. All the powers within you, you can do everything. That's true. The man is not poor without money. The man is not poor without money. The man is poor without goals and ambitions in their life. So keep your ambitions. Keep your goal. And accordingly, you have to do the hard work. Then only you can do something in your life. And I would like to say one word about Khadi sir. He's one of the greatest educationist, social reformer I have seen in my life. Sir, due to Khadi sir, there is a lot of changes has been made in the education sector in the Bidar district, not only the Bidar district, whole state of Karnataka also, in India also. Because it's a great contribution to the nation. Every year they are producing more than 1,000 engineers. Every year they are producing more than 500 doctors. Now engineers, now KS and IS officers also. They are producing the good citizens of this country. I pray God give more strength to Khadi sir to reach great heights in his life. Thank you sir for inviting me here. And all the best to all of you for your upcoming career. Thank you. Thank you so much.